So we're just doing the install of our 99 to 13 Silverado Catback for extended cabs and crew cabs. This kit is meant to fit, all the way up, and it's got hangers for provisions for both trucks. It's going to be, we have valved and non-valved mufflers here, so whichever way you want to do that. We also sell vacuum actuated pumps so that you can open and close the valve system, whenever. They just have a little key fob and you can open and close it, so you go from quiet mode to loud mode really quickly. We've also got a couple of different tip options. Right now on this truck we've just got the chrome ones, but they do also come in like black dot.
A black polish tip, right?
Yeah, it's like a black polish tip.
And this is a stainless mandrel bent.
Yeah.
Everything back, right?
3 or 4 stainless, all mandrel bent all the way back.
We're gonna need a 13 millimeter, a 15 millimeter socket, and we're gonna be using a 15 millimeter ratchet wrench as well. Generally speaking, anytime you're building an exhaust, you start front to rear and you loose install everything. We're going to start with the forwardmost piece on the truck. We're just going to loose install that, work the way to the rear. Once we get everything clocked the way that we want it clocked, then that's when when we're going to final tighten, and we'll final tighten front to rear as well.
Yep. You have the nuts for that?
Hardware's right here.
Oh, nice.
And just put those finger tight.
There we go. And then I can get this back one.
Yep. Get your hanger on. One down.
There we go.
2 down. Clamp's good.
Cool.
We'll
Now we've got
the next section back.
the next section back. There it goes. There we go.
Perfect. And then if you hold this where you want it, I'll start tightening front to rear.
Yeah.
Good and tight?
Yeah, we're good and tight. So.
There's the direct clamp up on there.
That one ready.
All right, you good?
Yep.
Torqued.
I've got this one kind of in a good spot.
All right, you want to make sure that rear is clocked the way you want it.
Yeah. Let's see. Just make sure everything looks level. I think we're good right there.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we're torqued. Right there's a good spot. This guy. So this is our unvalved muffler here. So this is kind of the standard one that you'll find on a lot of trucks. So if you don't feel like purchasing a valve actuating system and you would rather just not have it, this is probably the guy for you. So this one, as you can see, just doesn't have that little vacuum actuated valve in it. So, but it's still got all the same hanger provisions and it still fits in the exact same location. Yeah, as you can see, this one actually has a has a valve here. So, and this rotates back and forth to open and close.
Yep, to go to like a quiet and a loud mode.
Yeah.
Currently, we've got his safety wired, and it's in loud mode all the time.
Loud mode all the time.
Yeah.
That is the best mode.
Then we've got to get some flyby clips of your truck later.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, bro.
That sounded good on startup. I really like that.
Yep.
Yeah.